Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you guys are watching me, it may be LinkedIn, it may be Instagram, it could be Facebook, whatever social media platform. My name is Sailesh Fulsunge. I am father of a super boy, a hotelier with 32 years of experience, number one Amazon best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. I've been talking on various types of hotel owners. The series of around 8 to 9 videos is already completed. The next topic we have picked up hotel consultants and their various jobs, there are various types of inputs, works and expertise. We already discussed 6 different kinds of and important aspects and jobs of hotel consultants. Today we are going to continue with another important topic: erase your myths. There are a lot of myths within the hotel owner's mind regarding the consultants, which needs to be erased. Very important is one should know hotels are like chariots and cannot be self-driven. Charioteer plays key to success. So consultants are chariots. They will handhold you and they will take you towards the success. Now consultants could be hotel brands, it could be senior hotel experts or hotel operators. Paying fees to consultants, please erase this myth. Paying fees to consultant is not an expense, it is definitely an investment. Consultants are savers. Once they get engaged with you, they will save money, save time, save your efforts, energy from all the 4 corners, from all the ends. So ensure this myth is out from your heads, because what happens is, if there is a problem in your eye, the doctor can cure with whatever operation or whatever medicine. But if something is problem on the way you look at things, that has no medicine, that has no cure. So looking at things in the right fashion is always welcome. Whatever has gone in your subconscious mind in terms of hiring a consultant should be erased off. This is my humble suggestion. What I would also say in terms of hotel operations, in terms of hotel projects, unprofessional management leads to business downfall. We know that. None of the businesses can run with unprofessional management and operations. It requires a lot of technical knowledge, it requires a lot of technical support from all the ends, and hotels, whether it's a project or operations, you cannot differ from any other businesses. Challenges are there in any business. If the property is owner driven or a family driven property, whether you are doing a project or operations, and the owners are not hoteliers, then definitely there is a problem. Then definitely the challenges are expected, and we should ensure that somebody is there along with you to take you to the right path. Sales and operations go hand in hand. We want more business. If we go and do more sales, and if the operations are not right, then what happens? Sales will again dip. So everything goes hand in hand. consultant should be taken in such a way that they are your friends. They are not your, they are not there to just make money out of it. Whatever fees they are going to charge, you are going to make 10 times out of it. The kind of experience, the kind of contacts, the kind of support they give you right from start to finish, you cannot calculate it. Whatever happens, we put lot of projects or lot of operations we have been seeing, the owners put the blame on either the staff or अरे वो consultant आया था उसने खराब कर दिया. It percolates from top. Whatever decision is been taken, it has been taken keeping the owners in loop, taking the sanctions of the owner. So I would always quote, I would always say, everything percolates from top. So my dear friends, my dear hotel owners, it is my humble request, don't look at petty things, try and get engaged with right people, right operators, right brands, take their technical advices and go ahead with your projects and operations. I am going to continue with many more topics and subtopics. If you like my video, if you like the content, please like and share to your colleagues, your industry mates. Subscribe to my channel. Click the button on the channel which is having the bell symbol. This will give you the notifications of my upcoming videos. There are n number of topics, loads and loads and loads and loads of tons and tons of information which is going to run into my YouTube channel. Stay connected and we will jointly learn the business. Thank you.